Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to make a tempting and delicious chicken quesadilla with lots of cheese. If you want to make a veg quesadilla, you can replace it with lots of paneer and veggies. So let's get started. Here I've taken 1.5 cup wheat flour. You can also take maida. Personally, I prefer to use wheat flour, so it's totally up to you. Into that add half tablespoon salt. Then add half teaspoon baking soda. So now we need to make a dough. Before we add water, first we need to add 5 tablespoon milk. After that add some water. Keep adding little water and make a soft dough. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes soft. Then add 1 tablespoon oil. Again knead for 2 minutes. Once you're done, cover the dough with wet cloth and keep aside for 20 minutes. So here I have boneless chicken. You can take keema also, or you can cut into small pieces like this. So next you need half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, 1 tablespoon oregano, half tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon chili powder. Then transfer all the masala in chicken and give it a good mix. In pan add 2 tablespoon oil. Then add 1 medium sized chopped onion. Then add 1 medium sized chopped tomato. Mix for few seconds. Then add half cup mushroom, half cup sweet corn. You can add any vegetables as per your own choice. Then add half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon oregano. Do not overcook, just mix for 2 minutes then switch off the flame. Then again take a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil. Then add marinate chicken. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid. We can see the chicken has cooked. After that, add saute vegetables. Give it a good mix. Then it's done. Now here we can see the dough is become very soft. Again knead for 2 minutes. Then equally divide the dough. Now before you start rolling, put some wheat flour and then start rolling. Now here I am using a container cap to give a nice circle shape. You can also roll it from your hand, but I prefer to use this cap because it will give you a nice round shape and it will look beautiful. Once you're done, transfer the roti on pan. We need to cook this only for 20 to 30%. Do not cook completely. Just cook for few seconds both the sides. Both the tortillas are ready. Now let's make the quesadilla. Take one sheet, add cheese. You can add as much as cheese you want. Then place the prepared chicken mixture. Spread all over the sheet. Then again add some cheese. Also cheese slice. Then finally keep another sheet on top. And the good thing is you can stock this in freezer for 15 to 20 days. You just need to remove it and cook it on pan, then it's ready to serve. Next, heat the pan, add some oil. You can also add butter. Then transfer the quesadilla on pan. Then you need to cook this on both the sides till the cheese melt. Also till it get nice color. It looks so delicious and tempting. By using a pizza cutter, you can divide in 4 pieces. So the chicken quesadilla is ready to serve. Hope you like this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Very important, click on the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.